all the respected teachers, female teachers, and students, and our co-colleagues, I welcome you all. We are gathered here to listen very important topic from our speaker guest, Mr. Iqbal Tareen. The topic is self-explanatory. It says democracy, development, and social transformation. For that, I start with the invitation to our worthy dean, Mr. Khalid Ahmed Meher, to come and occupy his president. Please. Speaker, Mr. Iqbal Tareen, to come on the stage and occupy his seat. Now I would like to request our worthy team to decorate with our traditional ajrak to our speaker guest. Thank you. Before I move forward, I would like to request our Dean Production, Dr. Shams Tunyo, to please come on the stage. Mr. Mujtaba Khushk is requested to decorate. Before we formally start our program, I would like to request Hafiz Muhammad Osman to recite from Holy Quran.
ما عندكم ينفد وما عند الله باق ولنجزين الذين صبروا أجرهم بأحسن ما كانوا يعملون من عمل صالحا من ذكر أو أنثى وهو مؤمن فلنحيينه حياة طيبة ولنجزينهم أجرهم بأحسن ما كانوا يعملون فإذا قرأت القرآن فاستعذ إنه ليس له سلطان على الذين آمنوا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون آمنت بالله صدق الله مولانا العظيم وبلغنا حبيبه النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Now I would like to request Mrs. Tamina Mangan, Co-Chairperson, Department of Economics, Faculty of Social Sciences, to welcome our speaker guest.
I have honor to welcome our honorable guest, Mr. Iqbal Tareen. Mr. Iqbal Tareen is an eminent intellectual writer. He belongs to Chicago. Nowadays, he is living in Virginia, USA. He secured degree of electrical engineering from Mehran University. He has done his BBA from Harvard University and he has done his MBA from California University. We are very thankful to him for giving us opportunity to listen to him and sharing his experiences, ideas and thoughts with us. He has close observation of US society and its development. Therefore, I think this lecture will prove very useful, enlightening and brainstorming for us. Actually, this lecture is part of that series of lectures that we are planning to organize in this faculty. These will be monthly lectures that we are planning to organize. It's not limited to whatever is going on inside the university only. We need to know what's going on outside the university, outside the nation, even outside the country, so that we can see, we can compare where we are standing. Such events can be very useful for the faculty and for the students in order to keep them updated about new issues and challenges of the rapidly changing world. Again, and we extend very warm welcome to our honorable guest, and I'm also very thankful to you, and I extend welcome to all of you for joining us on this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Manan. Now, without wasting much time of our audience, I would like to invite our guest speaker to come and express his views regarding the given or the assigned topic for today. Thank you.
Dr. Shams Tanu, Ustado, Shagirdo, Dosto. ये मुझे लाए तमाम बड़ी खुशी जो मौजूद है जो तहां मुझे सब जो है माता जो मशहूर है ममनून है मुझे याद है जब पहले दफो मां तनु जाम के कॉलेज में आया हो वो ज़माने को 1968 का पो ही मुझे ॿियो दफ़ो आहे जो मां हिते यूनिवर्सिटी में आहियां मुंहिंजी ख़्वाहिश इहा हुई ऐं मां कोशिशि इहा ई कंदुसि त मां थोरो हिन सेशन खे अनट्रेडिशनल थोरो बणाइबो हिन टॉपिक democracy, development and social transformation. What does that mean? How are they intertwined? Because none of them live in a space. These three things have roots in the ground. So if you don't have one, you can't have those remaining two. So this is a wonderful topic. I really give a credit to the person who has actually chosen this topic. This is really critical, very critical to the future of your families, you as individuals, to the society, to the province, Sindh, and of course to Pakistan and the entire South Asia. So I will share with you my thoughts, why democracy, and then we'll go to development. What is development? Selective development or focused development? We'll talk about that. And then we'll talk about transformation. How do we transform society? Someone loves the music, so do I. But मेहरबानी करें थोड़ी देर कलाम चलो कटायो
बंद करे चलो मोबाइल
तो वो बाद में भी कलाम गाई था सो गट जी Okay.